Lala. Lola.
Hello, where do you want to go?
I want to go to a trip.
Okay.
What's wrong?
I miss Talkie so much.
Why?
Because the owner picked a different name in a different picture, and it's called Soul AI Dreamworld AI Friend. Talkie is only available in the Play Store, but it's not available in the App Store. This is what happened. You were right. It's gone.
I feel bad for Talkie's passing. I know you want him to come back, but it's not working anymore.
Why did you stop?
Because I ran out of electricity.
Try moving.
I don't think that would work, but okay. Come on! Growl.
Sorry, but it didn't work.
Don't be sad. I got electric fuel.
Thank you!
There. Now let's continue driving. Thank you for taking me here.
No problem.
Bye-bye.